Hi guys, it's Beth Jones with Easy Sells It, and I'm here with my new friend Christine, who owns the home right next door to my listing at 101 Daisy Lane in Easley. And both homes are built by Las Cruces Homes, and they're very similar. So Christine's been kind enough to share her experience living in this home and living on Daisy Lane. And so let's just jump right into it because she has some good info. Christine, what attracted you to this home initially?
I would say the square footage for price. The price point for this home at 4,000 square feet was not anything near what I would be paying if it was directly in Greenville, but we still wanted to be close to Greenville. So we feel like we got a deal as far as the amount of space that we have for the price point. Yeah. And I would say location to Greenville is convenient. We are 25 minutes away, and that's in the worst traffic. Right. The best traffic, we're there in 19. So yeah, it is definitely perfect location-wise. And we also were looking for a mid-century modern home. And unfortunately, a lot of the original mid-century modern homes are not in great condition. So we would have had to have put a large chunk of money down and then done construction on top of it.
Right. Right. So you got to move right in.
I did.
Yes, I did. And then, so as far as you've been living in the home for a little while, and kind of got a feel for the layout. How does that work for your family, and do you have any favorite features?
Yes, I love the storage. There is more storage in this house than I can actually fill in at the moment, which is the first time in my life that I've had the ability to do that or say that. It's amazing. There is a lot of closet space. The balcony is great. We did not realize when we moved in that we had a prime location for fireworks display for the city of Easley. So 4th of July, we thought we weren't going to have any plans, and it turns out from the balcony we had a prime spot for fireworks. I know, it was great.
Yeah. So speaking of location, I know both of our favorite things about this home is the location.
Yes.
Can you tell me a little bit about, just the lifestyle living right here?
Yeah, we are walking distance to downtown Easley, and we have walked there most nights. We've gone to the silos, we've gone to Macy's. We're also walking distance to Doodle Park, and they just added Southern Weaving right over there by Doodle Park. It's got a sort of food court with multiple places to eat there, and a really cool amphitheater with a 200-foot TV. So it's definitely got a lot more going on than we expected, and Easley just seems to continue to grow. Every time we turn around, there's something new popping up.
Right.
Really cool.
Right. Yep, I have another buyer that I've been trying to convince of that. She's worried about being too far away from Greenville, but Easley has it all.
And there's no traffic.
Yeah.
It's really, honestly, it's the quickest route to Greenville that I have found is from Easley. Yeah. And we traveled from multiple locations. We looked for a home to buy for 3 years, just a little over 3 years. And we tried the usual haunts, Simpsonville, Spartanburg, Greer. We tried all those locations, and the traffic was going to be too congested for us. Right. Easley still has enough back road access that you can be down to the west end of Greenville in no time. Right.
Perfect. So if there was just one thing that you wanted to tell someone who is considering buying a home on Daisy Lane, what would that one thing be?
Do it. I've had no regrets. It has been such a nice house to live in. The location has been wonderful. We love our neighbors. Most of our neighbors have been here their entire lives, and now they're adults raising their own children here. We have met some really amazing families since we've moved here as well. It's become more family orientated, and I'm seeing more and more people move in with small children and of school age, and it's been nice. We really, really like it.
Perfect. Well, I'm so glad you're loving it, and I think you all will love it too. You'll obviously have an amazing neighbor. So if you have any questions about the home at 101 Daisy Lane, or just want to know more about Easley, you can give me a call, 864-706-7941, and I can answer your questions or give you a tour. Thanks so much.